Don't get me wrong ne. Yazi ngisihlalele la eNaturena ngihome alone angithi amajensi ahambile ngizingalisile ngibatshelile ngathi nidliwa kakhulu nabantu bamesa amabhola emuva so I fuck angifuni ukuhamba nani hambani ngisele la ngihome alone. Hayibo mangizathi ngibheka ama movie ukuthi ngizobhekelelana or ngibheka ama highlights hayibo nyezwa ngaphandle kunabantu abarasayo Salek ngithi hayibo abobani laba abangazi ukuthi usale ngakazahlale next door ngibatshele ngiphume ngaphandle ngithi claps ngithi nina my friend we don't have tuck shops here. If Saleng told you can come open tuck shop, no space. But no man, we're looking for someone. Ngithi who you looking for? Vulo Vilakazi. But no man, ngithi there's no other one I can sell you here. Ovela Pai. They're like, no man, we came here next door. They are not opening. Ngithi clap says kwebona ngithi Mbokazi. But you know, we don't want Mbokazi. We want Saleng, man. You're not listening. Saleng no longer stays here. Stays there, Rustenburg, Orbit College. But you, because we don't want to buy your players. Don't worry, my players still in Comos. They will come back. We're still developing here. But you know, man, we're looking for Saleng. Now, greedy uncle this side cause I won't sell you Saleng, man. Are you sure? But yeah, we want Saleng. Saleng will work for us. Yazenzani. Vele nithi nihlathathe kanje vele nithi N12. Nivele niye Orbit inomcela. But no man, tell them to open ngithi shiny moto nina nithi Orbit nomthola dalo umchita. But you sure ngithi sure my chance ngithi now call but you see now ngithi azangibhedela lezi.